Welcome back to Dania's Secrets, where we unlock the keys to a younger, healthier, and more luxurious you. Today, we're uncovering 5 science-backed superfoods celebrities and billionaires add to their diet to stay youthful, glowing, and full of energy. Hit like, subscribe to Dania's Secrets, and let's dive into nature's real anti-aging elixirs. First up is a favorite amongst celebrities and beauty enthusiasts alike, the incredible avocado. Avocados are bursting with monounsaturated fats, the heart-healthy kind that also works wonders for your skin. These good fats help to reduce inflammation, which is a major culprit behind premature aging. Less inflammation means fewer wrinkles, a more even skin. The anti-aging power of avocados? Next on our list is a true superstar in the world of anti-aging superfoods, blueberries. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and incredible health benefits. Think of antioxidants as your body's own personal defense squad against free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage our cells and contribute to aging. Blueberries' powerful antioxidants neutralize those pesky free radicals, protecting your cells from damage and keeping you looking and feeling younger for longer. Blueberries are also known for their brain-boosting power. They're rich in flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. A study by Harvard researchers found that regular berry consumption, including blueberries, was linked to a delay in cognitive aging by an incredible 2.5 years. Want to add more blueberries to your diet? Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or add them to your smoothies, yogurt bowls, or even salads for a burst of flavor and a healthy dose of antioxidants. One of my favorite ways to enjoy blueberries is in a simple anti-aging berry bowl. Just combine a handful of blueberries with some Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of granola, and a drizzle of honey. Are you ready to discover the green secret behind many celebrities' youthful glow and boundless energy? We're talking about matcha, the vibrant green tea that's taking the wellness world by storm. Matcha is not your ordinary cup of tea. It's made from finely ground green tea leaves, which means you're consuming the entire leaf, giving you a concentrated dose of nutrients and antioxidants. One of the key components of matcha is EGGG, a powerful antioxidant that's been shown to have incredible anti-aging benefits. Matcha contains up to 137 times more EGCG than regular green tea. EGCG helps to protect your skin from sun damage, which is a major contributor to premature aging. It also fights inflammation and protects your cells from damage, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Matcha's benefits go far beyond just skin deep. It's also known for its ability to boost metabolism, support healthy detoxification, and enhance focus and concentration. Celebrities like Gwyneth Paltrow, Kourtney Kardashian, and Zendaya are all huge fans of matcha and often incorporate it into their daily routines. Ready to experience the magic of matcha for yourself? You can find matcha powder at most health food stores or online. Simply whisk a teaspoon of matcha powder with hot water until frothy and enjoy. You can also add matcha to smoothies, lattes, or even baked goods for a healthy and delicious treat. Let's talk about a superfood that's not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your brain and your overall health: walnuts. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can help you age gracefully from the inside out. One of the key reasons walnuts are so beneficial is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies need but can't produce on their own, so we must obtain them through our diet. Omega-3 fatty acids are like superheroes for your brain. They help to improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. They also reduce inflammation throughout the body, which is essential for maintaining youthful energy levels and preventing age-related diseases. Walnuts are also a great source of biotin and vitamin E, two nutrients that are essential for healthy hair, skin, and nails. Numerous studies have shown the incredible benefits of walnuts for brain health and cognitive function. Adding walnuts to your diet is super easy. Enjoy a handful as a snack, sprinkle them on salads, add them to your yogurt or oatmeal, or even incorporate them into your baking. Their slightly sweet and nutty flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes. Let's talk about a spice that's been revered for centuries for its incredible health benefits: turmeric. This golden wonder is a staple in traditional medicine and has recently gained immense popularity in the wellness world, and for good reason. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which is responsible for its vibrant color and impressive health benefits. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent that has been shown to have a wide range of positive effects on the body. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric is its ability to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin helps to fight inflammation by blocking the activity of certain enzymes and proteins that promote inflammation. Now here's a pro tip for you. Combine turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to enhance the absorption of curcumin by a whopping 2,000%. Adding turmeric to your diet is easy and delicious. You can sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, add it to soups and stews, or even enjoy it in a warm glass of golden milk before bed. So there you have it, the 5 anti-aging superfoods that the world's wealthiest and healthiest swear by: avocados, blueberries, matcha, walnuts, and turmeric. Drop a comment. Which of these are already in your kitchen? Subscribe and turn on the bell, because next week we're diving into 10 daily hacks for a longer, healthier life. This is Dania's Secrets, where smart meets beautiful living. See you in the next video.